How to delete Weverse account permanently. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Weverse account permanently. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first open your Weverse app. And now go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now here tap on settings in the top right corner. Now here scroll down and here under logout tap on leave service. Now here scroll down and here tap on disconnect. You can read this, all of this, and here scroll down and after reading check this I have read and accepted the above and tap on disconnect Weverse and tap on OK. Now your Weverse account is disconnected. Now you have to go to home. Now here scroll down again and here you will see delete Weverse account. Tap on it and again you can read this if you want. You should read this and then after reading tap on I have read and accepted the above. Then tap on delete Weverse account. Then tap on OK. And this is how you can delete your Weverse account permanently. Thanks for watching.